Hi, good.
What's your name?
Debbie.
Debbie.
So the constant debate we have at work
Yes.
is what should frequency strategy be? Can you bombard people too much? Do they really get annoyed? Do they even remember your ads when they see it 20 times? What's your opinion?
So I think it comes down to it comes down to what you're bombarding them with. Can the New York Jets bombard me too much? Absolutely not. Bombard away, right? Can Milky Way candy bars bombard me too much? They sure can, because I don't really like it or consider it. But if their creative is clever or utilitarian or interesting, what about, more importantly, if they gave me 4 different creative instead of 1? This question is predicated on the lack of the thing that I think people need to fill, which is more creative, right? I think you'd have, one could argue, and my team argues about this all the time too, do we just run the 13 videos that have been proven to resonate with people in perpetuity? Or do I keep creating new stuff, and what's the cadence? The answer is there's a level of both to the result. I think it's a really bad idea to keep showing people shit that they don't want. So that is for sure. That being said, there's also a conversation that should be had in our industry, which is difficult because of the technology advancements of potential reach and actual reach. Potential consumption and actual consumption. Meaning, I would also argue you can run that same Milky Way ad to me 4 times. I just might not see it the first 3 times, even though it's registered as a view. But the 4th I may. You see where I'm going? So I think this is why we desperately have to tie this whole world into, if Milky Way was testing how it was doing in Dublin at C-stores over a 1-month period, you'd get far better answers than philosophical debate. In all those hours of the philosophical debate, if my company actually spent the right amount of time in the meetings that we should be spending, I'd have 400 less employees. We're in meetings debating dumb shit 24/7 in this industry. If we took half that time and did it into doing and testing and tasting, we'd all be much further along. So